I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Go on Bluestacks. First, you'll need to download and install the Bluestacks emulator on your computer. Head over to the official Bluestacks website and grab the latest version. The installation process is straightforward, usually taking just a few minutes. Once installed, launch Bluestacks and complete the initial setup, which includes signing in with your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing the Google Play Store and downloading games. Now that Bluestacks is ready, let's get Angry Birds Go. Open the Google Play Store directly within the Bluestacks window. Use the search bar at the top to find Angry Birds Go. Once you locate the game, click on the Install button. The download size is typically around 100 megabytes, so it should complete fairly quickly depending on your internet speed. After installation, the game icon will appear on your Bluestacks home screen. To truly enjoy Angry Birds Go, optimizing your controls is key. Launch the game, then open the Game Controls editor from the Bluestacks sidebar. You can drag and drop control points onto the game's interface, mapping them to specific keyboard keys. For example, assign W for acceleration and A and D for steering left and right. This customization allows for a much more precise and enjoyable racing experience than relying solely on mouse clicks. Remember to save your profile. With everything set up, it's time to race. For the best experience, check Bluestacks performance settings. You might want to allocate more RAM, perhaps 4 GB, and set the CPU cores to 4 for smoother gameplay. Using full screen mode will make the racing feel much more immersive. Don't forget to upgrade your carts and characters within the game to gain a competitive edge. Enjoy countless hours of high-speed, bird-flinging fun on your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.